In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wix Editor, how to fix the header on your Wix website. Start by opening your site in the Wix Editor. At the top of the page, click directly on the header area. If you select an element inside the header by accident, click again on the outer edge until the entire header is outlined and the header toolbar appears. With the header selected, choose Change Header Design to open the Design panel. Next, go to Fill Color and Opacity. Pick a background color that fits your brand, then use the opacity slider to control how solid or transparent the header appears. A solid color gives the most consistent look. A slightly transparent header can be stylish over hero images, but make sure your text and icons still have enough contrast to stay readable. Most headers have different states, typically regular and scroll. Start with the regular state, apply your color and opacity, and confirm it looks right. Then switch to the scroll state and match those settings so the header doesn't jump or change unexpectedly when visitors start scrolling. Keep an eye on any border or shadow options in the same panel. A subtle bottom border or shadow on the scroll state can help separate the header from your content. If your header is built using a strip, click the strip in the header and open its design settings to align the strip's fill with your header background. If your header contains columns, open Column Background and make sure each column background matches. This prevents mismatched blocks that can appear as bands or seams. Now, review the elements inside your header. Select your buttons and open their design options to confirm the text and icon colors are clearly visible over the new background. Do the same for the hamburger menu and any open button or toggle used by your navigation. If you have a cart icon, make sure its color stands out and is easy to find. Use Quick Edit on any header text to adjust the font color, weight, or size so it's legible and consistent. The goal is to maintain contrast and a unified style across the entire header. When everything looks good, use Preview to scroll the page and confirm both regular and scroll states behave as expected. Finally, click Publish to push the changes live. That's it. Your Wix header should now look clean, consistent, and readable across your site.